right again. Oh, okay. I streamed earlier as well, but technically, like some stuff happened and the Wi-Fi died, so I had to end the stream. But I didn't do anything, so it's totally fine, I guess. Anyways, we're gonna go to our Salmon Cassowary website again, and I had some issues with the mic as well, so I guess the audio quality would be very poor compared to the other streams. So just please ignore that. Alright. So let me just show you what we did till now. Okay. So let's come here. So as you can see, this we made in the past 2 days. We made the header. This we made the cart. We made the my account page. We made the home page. We made this animation. We made this animation. We are yet to make this. This is just temporarily here. We're gonna add in. This is basically an announcement barrier. We're gonna add announcements here. Then we made this. If you saw the animation, it basically scales up, and then we made the footer. And yesterday we also started making this about us page, which we are gonna continue uh, today. So let's just go edit elemental. Let's just close this. And yeah, so we're just gonna start editing this and hope to make it good. We have some basic animations. Just delete this. Alright, let's start. I'm wondering if I can just increase the height a bit. I can't see any height option here. Maybe because there isn't, but I hope there is. Oh wait, I can just do one thing. See this. Go here. Let's go to the current Aurana Fragrances admin. Oh god. Okay. Give me a minute. Alright. So, if you have watched my previous two live streams, you must know what I'm going to do. So, if you haven't watched or you by chance missed it, let me tell you. What I'm gonna do is this is Aurana's old website, right? So it is currently functioning. You can find the link in the description. But so we are basically migrating this website to this new one, Salmon Cassowary. So once this is done, we are just gonna migrate this domain to this. But now what we're gonna do is we are just gonna select this. As you can see, we already have it here. So we will just select this, right? And we are just gonna copy this, and then we're gonna come here, and now we're gonna go here. We're gonna paste from another site. We're just gonna do Control V, and what this would do is this would put this right here, as you can see. Now here it looks smaller. Trust me, if I do this, as oh it does look smaller, but the width should be the same. It should be 10, yeah. But I guess maybe it depends or something, I guess. So let's just pick this up and let's just let's just let's just put this here. And it didn't go there for some reason. Let's try again. Oh god. Oh wait, bam. Why is it not going there? Let me just use the structure. Bam. Okay. See, that's the structure helps a lot. So you can see we have this here. Maybe because the page is stressed out than this one. Like, this one is not as stressed out as this one. So I guess that's that. Anyhow, we have this now. Basic basic thingy. Now we can just add a text editor here. A text editor here. Alright, we're just gonna use structure again, I guess. Elementor has so many issues. So many issues. There you go. Alright. And now we're gonna add all the text that we have here. Yes, oh, can't we just like copy the text or something? Yeah, we can, but we can like do it like this. Okay. Control V. Just close the structure. Alright, so let's just go to typography and set this to secondary. And I wanna make this thin. So let's just go and let's just set it light. Yeah, it looks good now. Now I wanna add the color is good. I hope it's like pure black. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go to advanced. Wait, let me just set this to this. Let me go here. Let me set this align to this. Now I wanna go here to motion effects and I wanna add an entrance effect, which would be fade in right. Let's see. Let's just put it slow. No, okay, fade in left. There. Right. Let's go over here. Our mission. Let's go to advanced. Just motion effects. Entrance fade in left. Slow. Now we come here. Advanced motion effects. Emission delay 400. Alright. So what this 400 does is basically it just adds a delay, as you would have guessed. So the R mission would come first, and then the Aurana Fragrances would come next. Just like this. I mean, you won't be able to see all of it. Uh, I'll just show you in the end. Alright, I'll just show you in the end. So let's just quickly duplicate, and let's pull this, and let's pull this, and let's pull this, and let's put this advanced. Everything is the same. Just go to advanced motion effects. Make this 400 to 800. Now duplicate. Come here. Bam. Like this. Control. Oh wait. Control C. Come here. Select this. Already all selected. Control V. Advanced and motion effects to 1200. 100. Alright, now let me show you what it does. Okay, let me just show you what it does. So if I just go to preview changes, see, first this would come, then this would, then this would, then this would. So this basically creates like a series of animations. So first this comes, then this, then this, then this, and then this. So this basically makes it look 100 times better than it previously looked. Also, another thing I want to change is, let me just select this container, and let me just go to style, let me just go to border and style, and let's try changing the border color. uh there should be a border color option, right? Want to type over? No, it maybe, where's the colors and all? It should be in border. No, wait, we can add a shadow to it. Wait, which thingy have I selected? Why is there a shadow here now? uh um, yeah, I think I selected the wrong box. Okay, let's just start with this one. Right, settings. Alright, image, and it has a border most probably. Border, and it should have a border color. Yes, let me just put this to secondary. Yeah, it would look better, right? It would match the theme better. Alright, I'm keeping it to this. Let me select this container as well. I just selected this one. Which one is this? This selects the whole thing, you don't know. Maybe because we elevated it, but like I can't find a color option here though now. I just right now there's a totally different border. So no, that's not what we are looking for. Let's try clicking. Let's just try clicking there. I like make it close to white. What do you say? Like make the same color but like close to white. Like if I try this. No, that's too white, I guess. Let's keep this to here. Let's try this. Yeah, that works. That works better. No, no, yeah, right. Okay, so let's just copy the hex, and let's just go here as well, and let's do the same thing. Border color, hex, and then go to the hex code and paste this. Yeah, now it looks better, right? It matches the theme, and it is good if it matches the theme, right? Okay, now what should we do? All right, we created this very nice thingy, but now what should we do? Can we add? No, okay. What if I add two containers as a grid, like right here and right here? Hmm. What else do we have that we can add? Wait, let me just change about our mission to. Let me change this our mission to something like Aurana. Aurana Fragrances. Right. Now we have to have two. We have to add two thingies. First our mission and why choose us. Now, that's the tough part. Now I need to like find a way to add it. Like find something that suits this theme right here. Let's add a container, I guess. Right. And let's add uh, another container in this. And let's add another container to the side. We can? We can't. Alright, so let's go here in this container. Let's select this container. Let's set the width to 50%. Yeah, okay, we can't see it. And now let's add a container here. We can't. Okay, because this is already taken by. Yeah, so if I want to do that, I can just add a grid now. So I can just go to a grid and I can add this grid. Yeah, and then it would just have two containers in it. And then I can just go to text, add a heading in this one, right? And just name the heading our mission. Go to style, text color to text. Then I can just do the same thing on the other side and add what was this? Why choose us? A question mark. And style, the color to black again. And then I gotta add this thingy again. But first let's just add text editor. Now see, I can't add anything beneath this. That's the problem with using grids. Like, why can't I not have anything beneath it, bro? That's honestly stupidly terrible. So I would need to like add this, and then I would just need to get this and copy this and then paste this here and paste this here. Now if I try to add a text editor, see, I can't. See, I can't. But now I would need another grid, and that's honestly so stupid. Like, we should be able to add different things in just one single container instead of adding no so much stuff. So just go here, let's copy all of this and let's paste this here. Let's go to text. I hope the typography is set to secondary. Okay, well, text and secondary is all the same, so let's keep it to text. All right, let's change the size, I guess. 13px looks good. Copy and let's just paste this shit here. Let's just select this here. C, Control V. All right, now let's see. See, that's what it looks like now. It looks good if you ask me. And now if I want to set a border, I can't because it's not a single container. If I want, I could add this all inside a single container and then add a border to that container. Mm, maybe I can do that. You know what? There's no harm in experimenting with stuff, right? So let me just grab this. I'm gonna use a structure for it. So we have three grids right here, and we have a container. Let's just select these three grids and try putting it inside the empty container. I mean, I know it would work. Yeah. Wait, I missed something. Wait, I missed a lot of stuff, no? So, let me select the container. Yeah, I missed two of the grids. I just added one. So this. Wait, I hate the fact that it opens automatically, bro. No, no, add here. So container, great, great. Yeah, I left one again. Bam. So this is heading. Let's put this over this. Now it's all in one container. Now let's select this container. Let's go to style. Let's go to border. Let's go to solid. Let's choose this first. It's not the same, I know that. Let's choose this first. Oh yeah, I just remembered. I created a container, I added a second container in it. So this is the second container which we need to select using this. Alright, I remember what that was. Okay, so go to border. 5 and 7. Border 5 and 7. Alright, here border hex control C. That's all we needed. Let's go here. Border hex control V, and there you go. Looks good. We can add margins. Or do we need margins? Yeah, we would need margins, right? We would need to keep it the same as this. So maybe I wait. So do I need to add another container? Hmm. Wait, can't I just like? Okay, I wanna experiment a thing. All right. So let me just duplicate this container. All right, hear me out. Hear me out. Right. Open this. Select all this. And delete 5 items. Move this container inside this container. And move these grids inside this. This is pretty useless, not gonna lie. Oh my god, it's seriously so messy. It's messy, see. Oh, and what did I do, bro? Oh god, this is so confusing. I swear to god, like Elementor needs to fix this shit, bro. Okay, we have these two grids, and I can just, I want to add this other grid. Finally. Stupid app, bro. Swear to god. This is the text editor, this is the divider. Alright, so just put this on top, please. Alright. Okay, done. Thank you. And let's just go to this. Go to border, and let's just default border. Now let's see this. Yeah, that looks cleaner. Right, that looks cleaner. Oh god, finally, bro. That's crazy. And it got hot. So let me just open my fan. Could make the audio quality bad. Yeah, it makes it definitely makes it hella bad. But anyways, we have this thingy right here. That was everything we needed. We just need to add this, and we are done. So to add that, what you can do let's just first close this. Leave. We can just duplicate. We can go to the WP admin. Oh, you know what? We don't even need to go here. We can just go here and let's wait for it to open. Why is it not opening? Uh, let's try WP admin. I guess. I guess it. There are so many issues with this. I swear to God. This closes. But see, even the same page is not opening, bro. No, no wonder. No wonder. Is my network messing up again? I mean, the stream is going alright with nice kbps. And the preview isn't opening either. Let me just publish this. Oh god, you don't say it. You don't say it. You are not giving me any server errors right now. Alright, good. If it gave me server errors by publishing this, I would have been so pissed. Let me just save this as a template. Alright. So I don't need to, make it every time. So page design. Save. Oh, I forgot to add one thing. This reminded me of it. Let me go here. Let me choose this. And we forgot to add the motion effects. Right and left. Slow. Here. What if I align it right? Yeah, this looks good. This looks better. Uh, Motion effects. Fade in right. Normal. Okay. Choose this. Choose this. Choose this container. Okay. Now choose this. Advanced. Motion effects. Fade in left. Slow. Choose this. Advanced. No, first style. Never mind. Advanced. No, where is it? Content. Oh, okay. Advanced. Motion effects. Fade in right. Slow. Dictator. Left. Advanced. Motion effects. Fade in left. Slow. 400. Oh no, not 4000. 400. Let me just. Motion effects. 800. Content. Oh, now the thing is not in content. Oh my god, bro. Keep it at a single place. Swear to God. Alright. Now we're gonna put the motion effects. Fade in right and 800. Slow. I hope this is set to slow as well. It is confirmed. Alright. Now let's publish this page. Let's publish this page. And now let's try to preview. I hope network is improved. Yes, it has. Yes, it has. W. So this is what we get. And if we scroll down, as you can see, bam. Looks luxury, looks premium, and yeah, we love premium. Now that it opened, we're just gonna do what we were gonna do. So let's go here. Let's edit it as a mentor. Now what I want to do is I want to create a template of the stats because I would need it. I would definitely need. Like I need it in about us. I would need it in some other pages as well. That's what my instinct says. So let me just go here. I select this whole container, right? And give us template. Stats. Save. So we will have two templates now. Let's close this. Let's close this as well. Let's come here. Let's click on this folder. Let's choose the stats and let's click import. Oh, where's the import option? What is this? Oh wait, no wait. Okay, insert. Apply. And boom, there we have it. That's a W. Let's wait for it to load. See what it has to offer. Wow. Publish. Now our about us page is also done. So let's just go to our website. Let's check it out. Let's see it. So that's our website. Alright, let's go down. Let's go down. Let's click on about us. And there you have it. Let me add the animation to this too. And we will be done. Animation. Smooth 60 FPS, which is nice. Boom. And that's the photo. So let me just quickly go and add the animation to that one thingy as well. Because it looks odd. Uh, Advanced. Motion effects. Fade and left. Slow. There you have it. Okay. Alright. Uh, let's go back to WP admin. Now let's make the we are not wasting any time here. Alright. Today we are not wasting any time. We start up early in the morning. So let's just start making the contact space. So cart is done, checkout is done, home is done, my account is done, privacy policy. No, privacy policy is not done. Return policy is not done. Shop is kinda done, but it's not done as well. So let's just start with contact us. So let me tell you what I'm gonna use for contact us for the contact form. I'm gonna use a plugin. So let me just add the plugin before I guess it would be better. Let's go to plugins. Let's see what plugins do we have. Just so we don't have anything too crazy. Let's add plugins, and if I remember the name, it is WB Forms. We should have a raccoon type something here. See, I hope it's the same thing. Yeah, this. Is it a raccoon? I think it's a raccoon, no? Yes, let's just install this. As you can see, it's compatible and it's last updated 6 days ago, so it's the best one if you want to use or add forms. There you have it. Now let's go to WB Forms, and here let's add a new form. And it would basically have a survey or like a basic form created already for you. Alright, let's go. Alright, so let's just name it. Alright, done. I don't need any tutorials, bro. Uh, default contact form. I don't need any templates, bro. Shut up. False. False. Alright, default contact form. Let's go to fields. Come on, bro. Come on, open up. We can't even select it. Is there like a blank form? Okay, create blank form. Alright. Now they already they automatically sent me to fields. Alright, so let's just first add a name. Then let's add email. Alright. Then let's add a number. And in number let's add a to phone number. Required, yes. It is required. Add fields. Let's add paragraph text, which would be state your query. Required, yes. Now let's add a captcha, but we haven't set the captcha up, uh, so we need to first set it up. So let's just let's see, do we need anything else? uh, no, we don't, right? Okay, so let's just save this first. Now let's quickly go and add the captcha to it. So let's go to smtp, I guess. No, okay, that's the mail thingy. Let's go settings. There would be captcha, and we're gonna obviously gonna use recaptcha. So let me tell you. Okay, so let me tell you how to set up this recaptcha thing. Right, we're gonna use v2 checkbox recaptcha, by the way. Uh, so yeah, let me tell you. So first go to new tab, go to recaptcha. All right. So and then just go to recaptcha, and you can just click on get started from here. So just all right, let it load. I already have an account here, so I won't be creating another account. See, it already logged me in. Right. So you might need to log in if you're using it for the first time. Let's go to recaptcha v2. We're gonna use. Wait, let me just click on get started. We don't need to do all that shit. All right. Yeah. So let me add a project. We're gonna use obviously v3. Alright, let's just go with v3. Right. Label would be Rana Fragrances.com, and project name Aurana, and submit. Okay, let's add a domain. Aurana Fragrances.com. Submit. Error for site was invalid key type. Uh, Maybe that's because I didn't put the right domain here. Is that why? Let me just add this domain. And before I submit, let me just hide the screen. Well, I don't want to show the keys. Alright, so I can't add recapture right now because I have not connected my domain to it. No problem. I guess we're gonna add the recapture later. So we'll just go back to pages. We'll just go to contact us and edit. Since we made the form already, we'll just edit the recapture later. So editing the recapture is very easy. All we need to do is just go to the WP forms and then just select the form and then edit whatever I want to, and it's just gonna automatically edit everywhere. So now I added that template, if you remember, right? So let me just go to templates. My PC is so slow nowadays. I swear to God, sometimes it's just pissing me off. Alright, so now let's select the default page template. Let it load first. There. Now let's just insert the page design and apply. Alright, so now um, what we're going to do is we're going to go to structure because it's easy. Let's see what the first container has for us. So this is the first container about us, this is the second, and this all is the third. We don't need the third container here. We delete it. Inside the second container, we don't. Okay, we can have all these dividers. We don't need this text. So delete three items. Alright, here the heading. Let's just change the heading to contact us, and that's it. Let's just check this container. So we have heading and divider here. Let's go to plus. Now that we added WP forms, if we scroll down, we're gonna have the option of WP forms here. Uh, where is it? Is it on top? Yeah. So we had this. So we're just gonna put this WP forms over here. Select a form. We created a default contact form. We're gonna add this here, and then we're gonna go to style. First of all, where's the form? Okay, there's the form. So we just put this inside the container. There. Let's put this right like this. All right. So here is the form. So we put in name, we put in email, we put in phone number, and we put in a state of query. When we add the recaptcha, it's gonna give a recaptcha option here as well. So first have to verify that we are not a robot, and then it will continue. So that's really it. Let's do one thing. Let's select the form. We can select it from right here. So select the form. In the themes, let's just add a vintage theme. Okay, theme are pro feature. Never mind that. We can. I hope we really change this button. We can. Just put just a secondary, put this to black. There's no hover colors, no nothing. Okay, no problem. Label settings. Uh, I didn't think I would need to change any of this here. We don't need to change any of this. It looks cool. Just the button was fine, and we did it. Next, let's go to advanced. Motion effects. Animation. Fade left. Slow. And we're gonna add 400 because this. So because this already has the stuff, right? Let's change this to contact form. Right, so this is there. This also has it. Wait, does this has it? No, it does. We created a template after before adding the animation to this, right? Yeah. So fade and left. Let's look. Let's just publish. I know how it's gonna look like, so I'm just gonna publish beforehand. But let's still check. As you can see, this is what it looks like. So contact us, contact form, and boom. I would add padding here a bit because it looks too sophisticated. Just go here, advanced. Let's close. No, let's close this view links together, and from the top, I can just increase the padding according to however I want. Let's keep it as 12. Let's publish it, view it first. Yeah, this looks much better. So let's just close this and let's if wait if we can just go here and close this and then send it to negative. No, it's not creating any effect, right? Right. Let's keep it to 0. What about margin? Go here and do the margin. Yeah, it's going to come up. That is what I want. I don't want that margin that there is. I'm just going to get it up, and now I'm gonna view it again. And as you can see, this is pretty good. You can just add a name and the details. As you can see, it already added. That's nice. So let's just publish this. Let's close this, and bam! There we see. It was so easy to create a contact form using WP forms. So the contact form is also ready now. Just go back to WP admin, and now what I'm thinking, right? Now what I'm thinking is let's add the products now. Or you know what? Before the products, let's just add those necessary pages that we need. So let's just quickly open the Aurana WP admin because we won't need it. I hope it doesn't ask for login. Okay, good. So let's just view this site, and so we need to add privacy policy, terms and condition, refund and return. It is gonna be easy as well. Because all we need to do is just copy paste. Let's just go to screen options, close this. You know I don't like it. Now give me a minute, guys. I'll just be right back. Alright, I'm back. So where were we? Yeah. Alright. So let's just go to pages and let's check what stuff do we have. So out of these three privacy policy, terms and condition, refund policy, we have privacy policy and refund and returns. We don't have terms and conditions. Right. So let's quickly add another terms and conditions page. So terms and conditions, publish. And now talking about terms and conditions, let's just start with terms and conditions. Let's go here, and obviously what you're going to do is you're going to go to folder, and we're going to go to templates, and we're going to select insert the default page. page design inside. Like we made it once, we're gonna use it every time. Here you go. Now let's. Oh, okay. Let it load it up. It's a heavy project. I know. Thank you. So let's just go here and let's just change it to terms and conditions. Oh, why is it IIT here? Conditions. Right. Let's go here. First let's go to the structure. Close everything. Delete the third container. Go here. Go here. Let's delete these two. I'm suiting myself according to my needs. You see? Yeah. So now, maybe I would need more honestly. Let's just open terms and conditions here. I can just copy it from here. Honestly. Uh, let's just open with Elementor, I guess. Yeah. I would need a lot actually because I remember that everything is a different chat box in a different container in this. But it's gonna be easy. I'll tell you how. I'll tell you how. All right. So let's let's do one thing. Let's duplicate this. Oh no, let's just not duplicate this. Let's put this divider here. Like this. Now I'll tell you why. Okay, I'll tell you why. So now this is one container. It has a heading. It has a text editor. It has a divider. Now we're just gonna keep on duplicating this container every time. Okay, no, it's all one thingy. Alright, that's great. But we are still gonna duplicate it. Should we duplicate it? Oh god, you all are confusing me. It would be easier to just copy paste all of it. But no, we don't want it easy. We want it better. Never mind, fuck better. Uh, let's just oh shit, this is confusing now. You know what? Let's just start building. Let's just start building. First one comes general. So here, I think it would be better to just go back, leave, and just copy paste from here. Control C, Control V. See, that's how it would look like. Let's add padding to it. Let's edit this first thingy however we want to. Because after this, we're just gonna keep copying the shit. So margin negative 5. Oh, okay. That's nice, sir. Yeah. Okay. So first one is done. And let's duplicate this container and boom. You know what? That looks good. That looks good. That looks better than using a divider. So let's just do one thing. Let's just put the divider back here. I wanted to use a divider to divide these two, but I guess it is better as it is. So it works. Yeah, it works. Look at this. This works. So let's just uh, delete this and duplicate this again. Now the next thing is products. Now we just have to keep doing it. That's it. Products. Go here. Come here. Control C. Control A. Control V. Align. Better. Duplicate. Orders and payments. Go here. Control A. Come here. Control C. Control V. Either two of these. Control A back. Control V. Close this and duplicate again. Shipping and delivery. Duplicate it again. Return the reference. Now we got to do something in this. So there's a link here. Returns and refunds. Actually, no, we don't have to do anything yet, but we would have to do later. Let's see. Way back control V. See, there's this link, right? So what we have to do here is we need to go to style, we go to link color, and we gotta select the secondary. Right now, as to set up the link here, right now it's aurana So I think this would work to when we change it, but for now let's just keep it like that. Okay, so duplicate intellectual property, intellectual property. I hope I spelled it right. Intellectual property. Okay, that's nice. I'm good in English, alright? I'm good in English. Let's go to style, control A, back, control V. I'm doing back because if I don't do back, there would be 2 minutes here. So I gotta do back. When I don't usually do back, I just control CV, privacy. My neck hurts, privacy. Okay, privacy policy is already updated. That's good. So limitation of liability. Limitation of liability. gonna add a text editor here outside of everything. Will be now. Let's change this to H6 style typography text. Yeah, it's not changing anything. No, it changes. Alright. So let's just publish this first. Let's look at the preview. Look at this. With this right here. It looks so good. It looks really so good. That's what a premium website looks like. Alright. The terms and conditions are done. Let's just go back. Let's close this. Wait, I shouldn't close that actually. Let me just open it back. So just go back to WP admin. Alright, so let's go to pages. Let's go to home page. Now, as I told you, we're gonna be editing the home page as we make other pages. So that's what we're doing. Let's go to the home page here too. Oh, oh, so the logo's twice here. That's crazy. Right here, this is add a text editor right to here, and here, let's okay. You know, I don't think we need to do it. Come on, Gemini, give it to me. Oh God, it's this. I remember last time Gemini just gave me that theme. Okay. select the privacy policy. Oh, we can't add this yet though, because we haven't added a domain. Okay, we'll just keep it like that. Publish. Alright. The next is the privacy policy. Let's quickly go to the dashboard. Let's go to privacy policy here. While that's opening, let's go to the privacy policy page. Let's edit it, and let's edit with Elementor. There's not no option to open it in Elementor. Let's open this and let's duplicate this. Let's go here. Let's go back to the admin model. I'm going to dashboard because I want to set up the terms and conditions page. Let's go to settings, and I think there would be an option to set it up here somewhere. Right, writing, this privacy. We have the privacy policy page already. No, not that. Discussion. I think I checked it already. Okay. So it's probably gonna be in WooCommerce. WooCommerce settings. Advanced. Yeah, terms and conditions. Search for a page. Terms and conditions. Terms and conditions. I don't one. There it is. Let's just save this now. Save changes. Your settings have been saved. That's it. When close this, we can come here, and with that's the basic uh, privacy policy. But obviously, we're not going to use it. We're gonna use our own what we have. So uh, now everything's favorite. Our favorite template. Okay, insert. We're gonna do the same obviously. We're gonna delete this container, inside this container. We're gonna delete these two here. Not that. Oh, wait. What is this then? What? Why is this there? What is this? No, but what the shit is this, bro? I know how to fix it now. I know how to fix it. I saw the fix. So here's how we fix it, right? This is our privacy policy place. We delete it. That's literally the easiest fix. and we empty the trash. Then we go to pages again, go to add page, and we name this beauty of a page privacy policy. Publish, publish. Alright, now let's go back there. We have the privacy policy page here, we have the privacy policy page here. Settings, privacy, select privacy policy, use this page. I swear to God, if it added content in the privacy policy page, I am gonna kill this dude. Oh my god, it added the text. Oh my god. Why, why does it add this text, bro? Why does it add this text here? What did this text do to you? Come on, bro. So if this text will be here, if it's a privacy policy page, the text is gonna be here. How to remove the default privacy policy heading from Word. There's no block, that's the thing. There is no fucking block here, bro. Wait. Edit page. Where's the edit page? Okay, I see why it's not here. Uh, let me show you, bro. Where's the block? There's no block there. I checked it. Privacy policy edit. Oh, it's. Oh, what? Huh? Okay, we're just gonna ignore the fact that there was something there. It just totally disappeared, and it's a good thing. It's a good thing it disappeared. Yes, stay disappeared, just like your mom. I mean, um, okay. My phone's camera got so dirty, bro. I just noticed. Why is it so dirty? I need to clean it up. Clean, clean, clean. Alright. It is still very dirty. Leave it. Alright. Structure, container, first container, delete, second container, open, and then select the two. Open, bro, open. Select the two text editors and delete two items. And yeah, says about us to privacy policy. Go to Aurana Fragrances, change. Okay, now let's go here. Let's first um let's actually duplicate this and put this below. Put this below. Alright, so let's go here. I mean, we didn't need to put that below, but okay. Now let's advanced, and let's just what should the heading be here? Effective date. Oh, I guess August 8, 6 or The senior we would also make everything um you know responsive. So you're gonna adjust everything for mobile phones and everything as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. One, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Possible is alright. It looks so premium. I love it. I honestly just love it. Alright. Publish. Privacy policy page is now done. The last page that is left is the return and uh, refund policy. And after that, we're just gonna start adding the products and customizing the shop. That's all that's left. Refund and return policy. This is going to be a small one. Also, yeah, we would need to let's do it right now. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's create a return and refund form. Loading, 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 loading. Let me check my WhatsApp real quick. Huh? I have 300 messages. See, I'm a part of an e-sports now, so I need to. All right. So shall I use a template? Let me see. Is there a template? Customer service. No. Let's just refund form. Templates blank. Technically, I'm using a template, and the template is blank. That's what this is. I'm just adding a blank template. That's crazy. Name, email. Just throw it in. Just throw. I don't even drag and drop. No, who does that? Just throw it in, bro. Like that. Oh, like that. Like that. Wow. Lol, it's not even coming. Bro. That's crazy. Uh. Oh, okay. Bam. 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 Eh, 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 bam. 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 Alright, let me just slow down now. Let me just add a chair. No, I don't add a checkbox. I want multiple choice. There we go. We can select only one of them, right? Okay. So now let's just go to numbers. Let's change this to phone number. The lab required, yes. Let's come here. Remove this choice. The first choice is return, refund. Right. Return refund. Required, yes. Let's add another multiple choice. Yes. Okay. Here. Okay. Wait. Let's just go here. Let's change this to type of support. Let's just go here now. Issue. Okay. So now let's first add didn't like the smell. Did not like the smell. Uh, Wrong product delivered. Did not like the smell of product delivered. What else? What else could we add? What is the what is broken product called? Effective. Yeah, defected. Oh God, defective product. Or we can just What else? What else? What else? Chat. What else? Help me. All right. Give me options for my return and refund form, and the category is what's the category? Type of issue. Type of issues, and I have already added options like. Why is it not typing, bro? I've already added options like. I'll just let it first, load it all up. Yeah, I've already added options like defected product, wrong product delivered, etc. No, not etc. I won't add etc. here. No etc.